In this video, I'm going to be covering some of the challenges that are going to face you when you get into your Tai Chi practice. Wherever you are, whether you're a beginner or an advanced student, you're going to find that there are certain challenges or hurdles that we need to get past or push through if we want to develop high-level skill in Tai Chi. We're going to start right now. The first challenge that we all have to deal with Tai Chi is boredom, actually. When it comes to Tai Chi is very slow and very repetitive. To develop skill in Tai Chi, we need to really be doing the same movements over and over and over and over and over again, without very much change to the external movement. Tai Chi is an internal martial art, so all of the changes that are happening in our Tai Chi are happening internally first, and that basically has a knock-on effect to the outside of the body. So what you're going to find is that when you're doing your practice, especially in the first couple of years, you're going to find that it's very boring, or you're struggling with the boredom of the movement, that there's just not enough things happening or not enough changing. I want to encourage you to push through the boredom that you're going to experience with Tai Chi so that you can yield the benefits that Tai Chi has to offer. The next difficulty that you might find with the Tai Chi is that it seems like you're going one step forward and two steps backwards. The reason this can happen is that when you make a change in your form, it's usually an internal change, and it's usually deep within the body. When you make a change, what happens is where you once felt connected, you may start to feel disconnected all of a sudden. It can feel like you're going backwards. Sometimes with Tai Chi, you can get a glimpse of what it's going to be like. You may feel a sudden connectedness to the ground. You may feel energy flowing in the body. You may feel some sensations that are very pleasant. And the next time you practice, those sensations might be nowhere to be found. That's why you may get this feeling that, oh my God, I was making progress and then I went back, and now trying to get back to the same place you were before. I want to encourage you again that when you experience this, just understand that it's a natural part of the process. Tai Chi is it's an awakening of the original energy of the body, the original Qi of the body. And when that happens, sometimes you can get glimpses of what it's going to be like, and sometimes they'll just go away. What you got to do is just persevere through and keep with it. The next thing I want to cover is that Tai Chi can be very up and down. It depends on the energy. The energy can be going great some days, and you can just be flowing and feeling very connected. And then other days, for no apparent reason, you just feel flat. You just feel like, oh my God, it's not where it was before, feeling more disconnected. Just understand that Qi is it's a natural moving thing. It's always constantly changing. Sometimes the Qi is going to be uplifting. It's going to feel like your energy is high. Sometimes it's just going to feel low. Just understand that with Tai Chi, you're going to have these ups and downs and ups and downs. That's just the natural way that Qi organizes itself in the body. The next thing I want to share with you is that Tai Chi is hard work. Tai Chi is not just an easy, flowing, very gentle, soft exercises. Of course it can be, but if you want to do Tai Chi and develop some skill in it, you're going to find that Tai Chi is actually hard work. It's going to be especially hard on your legs. You're going to feel that as your upper body gets more and more relaxed, that your legs have to work harder and harder and harder to deal with the additional weight that's coming from the upper body relaxing down into the lower structure. When that happens, you're going to feel your legs burning, you're going to feel they're hot, you may be sweating. It's hard work. It can feel like a workout sometimes. So when you're feeling that, you'll actually know that you're on the right track. If you're feeling burning in the legs and they're hot and you're feeling pressure underneath the feet, that's a good sign that you're on the right track. So stick with it. The last thing I want to share with you about Tai Chi is that Tai Chi requires persistence. It requires sticking with it and going at it again and again and again. As we talked about, you may start to experience boredom, and you may have these ups and downs, and sometimes it can feel like it's one step forward and two steps back. That's why you've got to be persistent. You've got to stick with it and just keep going and going and going. Real masters and people who have been doing this all their lives, they train as hard, 20 years later, they're training just as hard as they did in the beginning. That's because there's more and more depth that can be developed from all the practice that you do. Even simple movements in the form that you might think, okay, I know this now. After you make a few changes in your practice, all of a sudden the move might feel totally different. So being persistent and having a consistent practice with your Tai Chi is going to yield you the best results. I hope these tips have helped you guys. I hope you can stick with your Tai Chi and get some real results and develop some excellent skills with Tai Chi. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.